A former president arrested, a nation divided. The Philippines is defending its decision to send Rodrigo Duterte to the International Criminal Court, but his supporters call it an illegal handover. Is this about justice, or is it all political? Philippine officials defended Duterte's arrest and transfer to The Hague in a heated Senate hearing. The former president now faces trial at the ICC for crimes against humanity linked to his brutal war on drugs. Duterte, now in ICC custody, appeared before the court's pre-trial chamber on March 14th. His next hearing is scheduled for September. If convicted, he would be the first Asian leader to be tried by the ICC. His arrest has triggered backlash from supporters, allies, and family. Senator Imee Marcos, sister of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., called the transfer an admission that the Philippines is incapable of handling the case. Marcos said, quote-unquote, "Justice rendered by a foreign country is not justice, it's slavery." Duterte's family has filed a Supreme Court petition, calling the arrest illegal. His daughter, former Vice President Sara Duterte, accused the Marcos administration of using the case to demolish political opponents. Philippine officials insist the arrest was above board. Justice Secretary clarified that Duterte was arrested based on an Interpol request, not an ICC warrant. Remulla said, "The ICC tries people for individual crimes, not states. The Philippines as a state cannot be called upon by the ICC." He cited international humanitarian law as the legal basis for Duterte's arrest. However, he also argued that the ICC has no jurisdiction since the Philippines withdrew from the court in 2019. Amid the legal and political firestorm, the Philippine Department of Justice made a shocking admission. Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla acknowledged that victims of extrajudicial killings were forced to seek justice at the ICC because they got none at home. Remulla said the cases were filed at the ICC because families could not get justice in the country. He revealed that forensic experts found evidence of execution-style killings in many cases. In one instance, a death certificate listed cardiac arrest as the cause of death, but autopsies revealed bullet wounds to the skull. Remulla also admitted that 95% of wrongful deaths had no police reports. Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs, which defined his presidency from 2016 to 2022, left at least 6,000 officially recorded deaths. But human rights groups estimate the true toll could be as high as 30,000. During his presidency, Duterte openly taunted the ICC and withdrew the Philippines from its founding treaty. He took full responsibility for the killings but denied leading a systematic campaign of murder. Duterte once declared as he gave police personnel and official immunity to kill suspected drug dealers, quote-unquote, "I don't care about human rights." The arrest comes after a major political rift between the Duterte and Marcos families. The alliance helped win the 2022 elections, but relations have since collapsed. Sara Duterte has already been impeached, and her father now faces trial in The Hague. Will the ICC succeed in convicting Duterte, or will his supporters fight to bring him back? That's all for today. For more such explainers and news updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.